Crypto.com continues to build, and they seem to be the first to get to certain aspects of security and building in the crypto space. Could one day Crypto.com be the biggest exchange out there? Could it really rival Binance? Well, we've got some pretty big announcements in this video coming from Crypto.com, and likewise some interesting news all about Binance. So if that's the thing you like, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on in the cryptocurrency market. Leave a like on this video and let's get into it. So we got this tweet earlier from Crypto.com. It says 2 firsts for a virtual asset platform. Crypto.com is now certified with the ISO 27017 for security in the cloud and ISO 27018 for privacy protection in the cloud, as audited by SGSSA. Now we can take a look at their Twitter page, and ultimately they are the world's leading testing, inspection and certification company for value to society by enabling a better, safer and more interconnected world. What do? They basically audit companies to ensure that they are, secure, that in terms of processing information, that it's secure, user information, all of that stuff. That is fundamentally what they do. And like I said, Crypto.com coming out there and having the audit. Well, what do we get? Well, it's here. Crypto.com becomes the first virtual asset platform to achieve ISO 27017 and 27018 respectively, security and privacy certifications. The first virtual asset platform, and I think it's important to reference that. So it's not the biggest article in the world, but we'll just take a quick look at exactly what it's talking about. But it says here, look, Singapore, January 24th, Crypto.com trusted by more than 80 million customers worldwide, industry leading in regulatory compliance, security and privacy, announced today that it's now been certified with those ISO 27017 for security in the cloud and ISO 27018 for privacy protection in the cloud, as audited by SGS, an internationally recognized certification authority. Well, you might be thinking, okay, what does it even mean to me? What's the point of this? Well, the ISO 27017 is a cloud-specific security standard that provides guidelines for information security controls applicable to the provision and the use of cloud services, i.e. this kind of data storage outside of the hardware of the Crypto.com infrastructure. It says to ensure that a certified organization are providing a more safe and secure cloud-based environment to reduce the risk of security problems and to comply with Information Security Management System ISMS certification. And the 27018 is the first international standard for cloud privacy. It gives privacy-specific guidelines to organizations who are acting as privacy data processors and controllers to enhance information security by assessing risk, establishing objectives, and implementing security controls for protecting personally identifiable information in public clouds. Now, in summary, the fact that Crypto.com has 80 million users, the fact that you have to be KYC'd to operate on the Crypto.com platform means all of your public information is there. With anything that is intertwined with the blockchain, then it's easily accessible. We already know we've had a number of big, large hacks in the space. Bitmart being one of them. We know Binance lost some money. This Gate.io, a lot of big exchanges have ultimately lost through criminal enterprises. Now, what this does do is, from an investor and a user, it gives another level of confidence in that Crypto.com is audited, it's secure, and basically some of the best in the business are testing to make sure that it's there. Your details, according to these, are safe, secure, and more importantly, private on the Crypto.com platform. Now, again, you might be thinking, okay, Tubit, I get all that. That feels like a good thing to do. What are you talking about in terms of Binance? Well, I've talked a while about Crypto.com and the fact that I think that if they get things right, they could be a real juggernaut to test Binance. And recently, Binance hasn't had the best ride in the crypto space. Even articles like this, Binance acknowledged storing user funds with collateral in error. The exchange wallet held both customer assets and reserve tokens. We also have $346 million being processed through Binance for the exchange that that got arrested and ultimately then closed down. So there's a lot of news coming out about Binance and a lot of positive news coming out for Crypto.com. Likewise, although we've seen a market correction, the Crypto.com native currency was performing very well, up nearly at 8 cents with a few numbers after it. So a significant step on in terms of that, but a real opportunity. And these are the things that as an investor, I think people want to see: a reputable site and company auditing a big player in the crypto space, and ultimately then bringing some real security and validity to what they're offering to the customer. Given FTX, given everything we have seen out there in the crypto space, as we move into this next stage, this potential move up in the market, then it's going to bring new investors to the space. People are going to want to access cryptocurrency, and what better way to do it than with real security and vision. So Crypto.com really setting the trend and could be a big rival to Binance in the future. Let me know in the comments, are you Crypto.com or are you Binance? Let me know in the comments. I'm really interested to know your thoughts. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. We are so close to 14,000 subscribers. Insane if you think about it. But as ever, you have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video.